Damn, it feels good to be a gangster. Hollywood, the greatest rapper ever, and I had to thank you. You too, man. Suck my dick like the bitches on my lips. I don't really give a shit. And I sit down and take a shit while a bitch come over and say, "Oh, Hollywood, can I suck your dick?" Yeah, you can do that. True that. Hollywood, the greatest rapper ever. You could come and smell my booty. Damn, it feels good to be a hater. Everybody's got one, if you ain't nobody. Now I don't care, cause I don't know nobody. Hollywood sits on the potion rap body, and the light in the rain tonight, chilling with my boy Rick. Yeah, shit, tonight, hey. Smiling like I don't give a damn motherfucker, like I got the bone. Like a lion mixed with a cheetah, I am a Libra mixed with a zebra. Nasty motherfucker, and I will foresee ya. Suck my dick and I pee ya. I drop and make it rain on ya. Like I'm pissing like R. Kelly, homie. Make a little yellow shower on you, baby. Baby mama, sister, daughter, whatever.